Hello, and welcome to the Titan Connection webinar. In this webinar, we will cover 3 commonly used functions of Titan Connection. First, you will learn how to search for jobs and internships, including on-campus jobs. Second, you will learn how to upload your cover letter and resume to apply for jobs. And third, you will learn how to register for all Career Center events, including career expos, workshops, and info sessions. So first up, how to look for jobs and internships. From the Career Center homepage, you can either click on this large photo or go to the Students tab, Jobs and Internships. From there, click on this nice big blue button, View Jobs and Internships on Titan Connection. This is the Titan Connection homepage. To find jobs and internships, you will click over here on Jobs and Internships, and then Titan Connection Jobs. If looking for an on-campus position, hit the Student Assistant On-Campus tab. Here you will see all the positions that are listed for on-campus jobs. And please remember to check back daily as new positions are posted all the time. 2 other resources where you can find on-campus jobs are the Associated Students, Inc. and Auxiliary Services tabs. So to search for jobs and internships, I would suggest doing an advanced search. So click the advanced search button, and here you can search by majors and concentrations, location, industry, job function, and then position type. So let's pretend this is for an academic internship, and you are a communications major with an emphasis in PR. So you would probably want to look at event planning, and maybe promotions and publicity, as well as public relations. And let's say you want it within 25 miles of campus. Simply hit those features and click search. And now you will have listed all the options that fit within your search criteria. To upload a resume and cover letter in order to apply for a job on Titan Connection, you need to go to the Documents tab. Click Documents and then Documents again, and click on the Add New tab. We recommend when labeling your resume to tailor it to each position. So in my case, I would put my first initial, last name, and then most likely the company I'm going for. For this, we'll just say temporary. Then click Browse to find the file you're looking for and hit Submit. That resume is now located in my Documents folder. Lastly, to register for an event, go to the Events tab on the left-hand side, and you can click down to see career fairs, information sessions, and workshops. For this, we're going to look at workshops. Click on the Workshops tab, and you can either scroll through to see what's available, or you can search for a workshop by title and description. So let's say you want to look for a workshop on resumes. You can simply type in resume, apply search, and you will see which are available. Let's pretend we are wanting to go to this webinar. Click on it, and you will get a description of the workshop, and then you can RSVP by simply hitting that RSVP button. Should you need any additional assistance with Titan Connection, please feel free to make an appointment with your career specialist. The easiest way to make an appointment is to call the front desk at 657-278-3121, and they're open during normal business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you again for joining in this Titan Connection webinar.